Unbelievable tag team action coming your way in this pre-show to Mob Rules.
We have a battle of teachings, Robert, as John and Coda, they are the PRW, Project Revolution Wrestling, trained there. Actually, John is the PRW Heavyweight Champion at this moment, and the Prodigal Sons are from the Black and Brave Academy.
Unbelievable, as we've got championship caliber, we've got elite trained caliber and wrestlers all across the board here for this night of action. It's unbelievable.
Yes, we do. These two tag teams want to make their mark here in New Wave here during this match, because with the tag team division that we have right now, returning tag teams, new tag teams, it's on fire right now, because later tonight on the main show, we have a tag team turmoil match, tag team championships, the brand new tag team championships.
Yes, those beautiful belts. I got to look at those not too long ago. Beautiful Northern Lights suplex with the bridge, but only a 2 count.
Well,
Camillo out of there.
Tar Foundation, they are going to be coming in with the old straps tonight. The question is, are they going to be leaving with the newly designed ones? That's the question.
It is going to be a challenge as John Struck tagged in as he missed a roundhouse right, but takes a very nice hip toss there, an arm drag rather, by Eznite. The Black and Brave Academy, very prominent here tonight at Mob Rules, as they are the product of Seth Rollins' training, and it shows the quality as the tag made now to Malik Champion as he steps in for the first time. Shoulder block through the ropes.
No doubt about it. It shows the quality, it shows the talent. I mean, looking at everybody in this matchup right now, you can tell that they are determined. They want to make their mark. They want to impress officials.
Yes.
They want to impress the New Wave Pro General Manager, Earl Joseph. Remember, we had this situation back at Merum last month with a bunch of new. Same thing applies here. They're looking to make an impression.
Everyone wants to get in on the action at New Wave Pro. What a double team move by the Prodigal Sons. Down for the cover, but only a 1 count. The Project Revolution champion just leaped out of there at 1. All of these guys are hyped up tonight, as you said, Magic Mike, trying to impress Earl Joseph and the officials here at New Wave Pro to get a spot on our roster. Unbelievable.
Exactly. We see John. We see John's in the ring, the legal man. He is the PWR champion at this moment. Actually, PRW champion.
Smart move going after the hamstring, trying to...
This actually is so crazy. I'm forgetting to come these champion from the Project Revolution Wrestling champion. He's the heavyweight champion there. And so you know he's winning the Admiral Gold. What a better way to do that than to make a impression, get on the tag roster full time.
Eznite is in some deep trouble here. That hamstring was taken out by John Struck. The champion takes a shot right into the guts. And lefts and rights downstairs.
What a hop kick right there.
Caught him right underneath the chin for the cover. 1.5. All of these guys are doing their best to stay inside this as a reverse chin lock now. Eznite in some serious trouble right off the bat. John Struck trying to wear him down. And Malik Champion on the outside trying to warm up the New Wave faithful to get his partner back up onto his feet. Eznite battling up there. Shot to the midsection, trying to break this up. But he's got to make the tag. Inside out. What a shot.
They made John go flippy stuff right there with the impact of that enziguri.
He could have broken his eardrum quite easily as the count